It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are doing a Valentine / Black History Month look. I'm going to be using the Berries by Juvia's Place. This is a Black-owned company. Of course, I sell makeup. I have my own hair product line. I am a Black-owned brand as well. But I have all of these beautiful eyeshadow palettes, so I wanted to show you guys a look with each one of them. So in this video, we are doing the berries. Now, y'all know how I feel about berry shades, so I was in love with this look, but I'm going to let you guys enjoy it. So I started by placing some concealer on my lid and blending that out. And this is just going to give me a nice smooth base. Then it's time to go in, okay? So I kind of did a gradient look, starting in that outer V area and then working my way toward the brow bone. And I went from that kind of deep berry shade into the pink and then into the lighter shade under my brow bone. In that outer V area, I was just tapping that color into place. And for my crease, I went in with a fluffier brush to sweep that pink shade over that area. And this is going to help that pink blend in with that dark outer V area. Then I went in with the light pink under that brow bone, and at this point I was like, this is it. So as you can see, from that brow bone to the outer V area, it was a little harsh, so I kind of went in to blend that out. Then I cut the crease so that I can go in with that glittery shade that I showed you. And to do this, I am just using the same concealer. Now I'm just going to pack on the glitter. And I find that with these shades, I like to pack the color on and then kind of swipe it. Once you swipe it, it gives like a nice sheen. So far, I have done the berries, the nudes, the chocolates, and I will be doing the violets next. So you guys are going to get all of those this month. So I'm super excited about that. Then I went back into that darkest berry shade to kind of just, you know, snatch that outer V area a little bit more. So this look is great for Valentine's Day, for a date night out, for, what did I say? For a date night. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation, my powders, my blush, highlight, contour, all of that good stuff. I'm going to do all of that now. Here I'm just applying all of the foundation on first, then I'm going to blend it out. And y'all know I do my makeup so many different ways. Sometimes I do the face first, sometimes I do the eyes first, and I like to experiment with a lot of different methods because on my channel I really want to be able to help everybody. And if I only do my makeup one way, how will I be able to give advice for people who do it the other way? So that's why you see me trying a lot of different things. I feel like one of the most important things about being good in your craft is not being afraid to try different things, to experiment. So this is after the foundation is blended, after I went in with these two powders to set, and after I applied my blush, highlight, and contour. So now it is time for the eyes. I'm going to apply those mascaras. Then after I have my mascara on, I'm going to apply my lashes. And these lashes, the last time I wore them, I just put them back in the case. So here I am removing the glue. You don't want to apply them with the old glue on them. You want to make sure that you remove that. And this is why with my 3D mink lashes, you can get up to 30 wears. If you make sure that you take care of them, you remove that glue and reapply them, and that you are cleaning them often. I do have a video of how I clean my lashes, so make sure that you guys check that video out. Now I'm going to pop it on with my lash tweezers. And for this look, I didn't do any eyeliner. But of course, if you want to do eyeliner, by all means, go ahead. Y'all know I love a good wing. So here I am applying some lip liner and my Mauve Moment lipstick. And y'all know this is one of my favorite kind of, pinkish nude colors. And that is it, y'all. In a snap, everything is done, that wig is on, and I am ready for Zoom class. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look for me using this palette here. Definitely love these eyeshadows. They have sales frequently on their website, so if you absolutely want to try them out, don't be afraid, go ahead. Also, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about this Berries palette. Don't forget to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.